My name is Kara Mesick. I'm a branch assistant for the Wicomico Public Libraries at the Center Branch, and today we're going to be making stained glass out of picture frames as part of our cozy crafting project. If you've picked up one of our Take and Make kits from any library in Wicomico Library, you'll want to have that ready. If you're going to be using your own materials, here's what you'll need. A 5x7 picture frame. You'll want to have something covering your workspace. You'll need some clear school glue, which I have here in a separate bottle. And you can use 2 to 3 colors of liquid food coloring, any color of your choice. And you'll need something to blend it all together, so I'm going to be using a popsicle stick. You can use a coffee stirrer, or you can use a plastic spoon, toothpicks, anything that you're comfortable with. To start out, you'll want to remove the backing of your picture frame. We won't be using that. We'll just set that aside. So you're going to take your clear school glue, and we're just going to start by adding some lines fairly close together, and don't add them too close to the edging. So for my colors, I'm going to start with blue, and do your best to get the food coloring right on top of where the glue is. Some of it is going to bounce off, that's all right. And you don't want to add too much, but it doesn't really matter where you add it. There's no rhyme or reason. So I'm going to begin by just drawing some lines. We're going to blend this all together. Alright. I'm going to add just a little bit more glue, not too much, in any of the places that may still be open. My next color of choice is red. I'm going to add some drops in the places that I just put the fresh glue. Just a little bit. We don't want to blend too much. So now we're going to begin the blending process for this one, same as before. Ever so slightly, just drawing some lines, bringing it all together. And it's as simple as that. So this actually needs to dry for about 8 to 10 hours before it sets. And as it sets, you'll see that the colors will begin to settle in a little bit better. But that's what it's going to look like for now. Once this is completed, you will have an amazing stained glass blend that you can hang in your window or you can prop up as a table piece. So thank you so much for joining us at Wicomico Public Libraries, and we will see you next time.